Whether you're a seasoned Apple user or just getting started, this step-by-step tutorial will help you to set up Siri and running in no time. For this, go to Setting app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Next, tab on Listen for option. Here you will see two options. You can choose any one. Here I will tab on Hey Siri option. Next, click on Enable Siri. Next, click on Continue button. Now say, Hey Siri, how is the weather, to your iPhone. If you speak correctly, then it will give tick as shown here. Next, speak the sentence written here. Again, speak the sentence written here. Do the same again. Now Siri will recognize your voice. Click on Done button. Now close the setting page. Now say Hey Siri. You can see now Siri is activated. Now you can ask question to Siri. I am saying open setting and you can Siri opened it for me. Now before asking any help from Siri, you just have to say Hey Siri and then ask questions. If you want to say Siri word instead of Hey Siri to activate the Siri, then you have to select the first option as shown in earlier steps.